signs, what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So, I hope everyone's doing okay and amazing. So, for today, gagawin natin yung August 16, 2025 tarot reading. Let's go ahead and check kung kamusta ba kayo for August 16, 2025. Let's take a look kung ano ba mga ganap for today. August 16, 2025, araw ng Sabado. When it comes to your love life. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's see. By the way, before we continue lang, fire signs, just like to advise you that this reading is just a general reading. So, maaari siya mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Tingnan nyo lang kung anong saan kayo nakaka-resonate and leave what doesn't, okay? So, let's go ahead and check. Okay, fire signs for today. Fire signs. So, 5 of Cups. You're feeling something. Parang you have lost something or you failed at something. Or this could be a failed relationship. Maaaring there's a missed opportunity between you and someone else. Could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. August 16, 2025 for fire signs. So much. Got here the Queen of Pentacles. Could be also dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I think your person has left you about something. Maaring meron kayong pinag-awayan na hindi maganda. Later on, we'll check. What is the Queen of Pentacles? This reading. 5 of Pentacles. So, I think nawala yung stability between you and someone else. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Nawala yung stability. Nawala yung parang sense na very close kayo and ano yan, tight na parang sanggam mo to. And it left you parang kind of like stagnant or in a poverty mode. Parang you really felt the loss of this person. What else? Got your 3 of Wands. Someone left you. 3 of Wands. Someone left you. This could be the person that you're dealing with, another fire sign. Pero merong may masama loob sa inyo. And they just decided na parang mag-pursue ng ibang direction. Why is this person feeling this way? What happened? Why is this person feeling this way? You've got here 9 of Wands in the reverse. So, maaaring may mga pinag-awayan kayo na mas pinili na lang mag-give up. Kaysa maaaring conflict of interest ito. Okay, masyadong maraming issues na hindi na kayang i-address pa. So, chinos na lang i-give up. How does this person feel right now? With fire sign, 2 of Wands. So, medyo confused as to whether saan pa ba punta tong relationship na to. Magkakabalikan pa ba kayo? Itutuloy pa ba ito? Anong naiisip ng tao na to kay fire sign? 4 of Pentacles. So, they want to hold back their energy away from you. They're very quite stubborn as well. So, maaaring mapapansin mo, hindi talaga sila nagsasalita. Hindi talaga sila hindi talaga sila nag-give in naibigay yung gusto mo or makipag-usap sa'yo. Anong ma-expect ni fire sign dito sa person na to? You've got here the Star card. So, I see them naman, they're just quite stubborn, but they will eventually fix this relationship. Gusto rin nila i-fix tong relationship. Gusto rin nilang parang i-revive or resurrect. What's the final message for a fire sign about this situation? The Moon card. So, things may be depressing right now. If some of you are thinking na may third party, sabi dito, try to parang, I don't know, eliminate that. Kasi It's either wala na naman yung third party or wala ng third party. What else? Page of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So, I'm hearing kahit anong stalk mo dyan, wala ka nang makikita. Okay, maybe some of you are stalking your person. Okay, some of you are trying to find information over the internet, ganyan. I'm hearing wala ka nang makikita dyan. Okay, final messages for air signs. But ganyan na sabi ko, but my fire signs, okay, fire signs nasa isip ko. For my fire signs, 3 of Pentacles. So, try to be in the middle. Okay, when it comes to this situation, wag kang, maybe you need a third person as well para masettle yung issues between the both of you. Sabi dito, reach out for the help you need when you need it. So, maaring you need someone else para middle, ang tawag doon, magstay in the middle sa inyong dalawa ng person mo para ma-resolve the issue. And one last card na lang. Fire signs. And, yeah, so, Page of Wands, makaka-receive ka ng passionate new beginning offer with your person. Okay? So, there. So, let's go ahead and check the oracle cards as to what's your highlight for today. Fire signs. Soulmate. Wow, yes, this is your soulmate. Everlasting. So, whoever it is that you're dealing with is your soulmate. Fire sign. I see your Sag, you got your secret admirer. So, some of you may be secretly admiring someone, or someone, you have a secret admirer. I don't know. What else can you tell me about fire signs for August 16, 2025? Okay, you have your missing, thinking of you. So, namimiss ka ng person na to. Okay, namimiss ka niya. And naiisip ka niya even if you don't know it. Okay, lastly, let's check what are the messages of this person towards you. Baliktad ba yung card ko? What are the messages ng person ni fire sign sa kanila for August 16 to the 26? Sa August 16, 26. August 16, na ba yan? May nasasabi ko. August 16. Today, my beloved. Okay. I think this person just loves you so much. Maaaring itong tawagan nyo. Mahal, or whatever close to that. Mahal, pangga, whatever. My beloved. Mahal na mahal ka pa rin ng tawag na to. Na I think nanghihinayang sila sa relationship na nawala or nasayang sa inyo. I need some more time before I can come to you. So, maaaring they need space right now to assess the situation. And you light up the world, or you light up my world. Maaring sa kanila, ikaw nagbibigay ng saya sa kanila, or ikaw nagbibigay ng joy and light energy sa kanila, and yeah, they appreciate you for that. Okay? So, yeah, and this person may need some space and time. Maaring may mga inaayos siya, maaring nagpapalamig pa siya, mga ganun. Okay? So, yun lang naman, fire signs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you so much, fire signs. Have a good one. Bye!